Hello cousins! Whether you're making an upside down pineapple cake for your holiday table or you need a super easy recipe to bring into the office potluck, I got you. Let me show you how I make it. I'm gonna start off by preheating my oven to 350 degrees. Since I did mention this was a super easy recipe, we will be using yellow cake box mix. We're going to be following the instructions almost to a T. So I'm going to be dumping the cake mix into a bowl and I'm going to be adding in half a cup of cooking oil along with 3 eggs. The cake box calls for 1 cup of water, but I'm going to be substituting the water for 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice. This is going to be from the same can of the pineapple slices we're going to be using later. And using a hand mixer, I'm going to beat this together to form my cake batter. Once my batter's done, I'm going to be spraying the pan that I'm going to be using with baking spray. I have both my pan and the baking spray that I always use up in my Amazon shop. Check out the link in my bio. Then I'm going to arrange the pineapple slices all around the bottom of the pan and I'm going to be sticking maraschino cherries in the empty spaces. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar and I'm going to spread it over this evenly. Right over that, we pour in our cake batter. And using a small spatula, I'm just going to smooth it over and level it out. This is going to go into my preheated oven for 30 minutes. At the end of our 30 minutes, when I take our cake out of the oven, I know it puffed up. Don't worry about it. That's completely normal. I'm going to flip it onto a larger plate immediately. This is hot, so use towels. This is going to cool for 30 minutes. I placed mine in my window because I was impatient. And look at our beautiful upside down pineapple cake. This cake is so easy to make and always a hit at the holiday table, at the office potluck, or for the next bake sale. Thank you for watching, cousin.